Hi everyone, I'm Savannah from McWane Science Center, and welcome to Sci Sparks. On today's episode, we discover what causes the motion of the ocean. On the surface of the ocean, there are surface currents that run for thousands of miles in horizontal and vertical streams. These surface currents are affected by three things: global wind patterns, the shape of ocean basins, and Earth's rotation. But that's just what we can see from the beach. If we dive deeper into the water, about a few thousand meters, we can see the effects of surface currents' bigger, beefier brothers, deep ocean currents. Deep ocean currents are not created by wind, but instead by the difference in density of water masses. Density of ocean water is dependent on two factors: the salinity and the temperature. Imagine this bin represents the whole ocean. This side represents the cold North and South Pole. This side represents the hot equator. As the less dense warm water rises and the denser cold water sinks, the difference in density moves the water around to try to equal out. As you can see in the bin, the cold water is moving towards the area where the warm water has left, and the warm water moves towards the area the cold water is moving away from. This movement is called convection currents. The water is constantly moving around the world like a conveyor belt due to these surface and deep ocean currents. But it would take one molecule of water 1,600 years to complete one cycle. Within this 1,600-year cycle, the global conveyor belt is able to regulate temperature and weather, stabilize global climate patterns, deliver nutrients to marine ecosystems, and create passageways for marine animals. Well, that's all I've got for you today, friends. But if you enjoyed this episode, let us know by leaving a like. And if you want to see new episodes as soon as they're released, make sure to subscribe. Anyways, see you later.